Stay on top of your business with your BoldTrail activity stream. From new leads and texts to home valuations and listing machine marketing materials, your activity stream works like your daily newspaper, updating you on any new activity on your BoldTrail website or platform. Let's explore how to navigate the activity stream on your BoldTrail dashboard. With your activity stream, you can instantly filter for what matters most, click to view details, and take action without delay. In real estate, timing is everything, and with your activity stream, you'll never miss a chance to engage, build relationships, and close more deals. In your real estate business, speed to lead is crucial. Your BoldTrail activity stream puts every lead, text, showing request, and hot prospect right on your dashboard, so you know what's happening the moment it happens. Filter, act, and follow up fast. With the activity stream, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect or close. Open your platform and review the step-by-step guide below this video lesson. Learn by doing as we navigate the activity stream and get some hands-on experience.